right, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Let's see. Today we're going to be doing a little video on properties of exponents. And this is your first assignment um, for week 1. Okay. I'm just going to do some examples similar to what you'll see on the assignment. You can go back. You can take notes on this video. You can just go back and rewatch it if you want. Whatever you got to do to get through that assignment. So you guys have seen all this stuff before, but let me remind you real quick. If you were multiplying these two guys where the bases are the same, that's important, then you would just be adding these exponents. If you were dividing these two guys, you would just subtract the exponents. And then the last thing you'll see, if you have something like this raised to some power, then you would multiply those two guys. Okay, so scribble that down in your notes if you need to. And let's check out some examples. So 2m cubed times 3m squared. So in this case, just multiply your numbers just like normal. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then here, remember, I got m cubed times m squared. So I'm just adding those exponents. Okay. You're going to see some stuff like this, right? So here, you just multiplying those. I got 3a to the 5th over 2a to the 5th. Okay, so you would divide these numbers just like you would. So that's 3 halves. That's just going to stay 3 halves. And then if I got a to the 5th divided by a to the 5th, remember I'm subtracting these exponents. So 5 minus 5 is 0. And then guys, remember anything to the 0 power is going to be equal to 1. So this is just 3 halves. Okay. You could have something like this. So here's an example. This 3 essentially is getting distributed to each of these guys. Remember, you're multiplying. So this is going to become 2 to the 3rd power. This is x squared, and then it's getting multiplied there. So x to the 6th. And then these guys, those are getting multiplied also. So y to the 9th. Okay, that's a good answer. That's probably how you'll see the answers on the handout. Or 2 to the 3rd power is the same thing as 8. So this would be cool also. And then let me do one more with you guys here. Some negative exponents. So just like kind of like number 1, multiply these numbers. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then these guys, same thing. You're going to be adding those up. So you essentially have -3 plus a -2. So that's going to get you a -5. But you're not going to want to leave any negatives in your exponents. So I don't know if you remember the trick to deal with that. Like an example, like if I had x to the -2, that would become 1 over x squared. Okay, so this m to the -5, this is essentially going to become 6 over m to the 5th power. All right, guys, there you go. Hopefully that'll help you out, and I'll see you next time. Hit subscribe so you get my updates, and don't forget to smash that like button.